Hi everyone, it's kind of a rainy, gloomy day here today, so I'm going to try to brighten up my day by making some Thai peanut sauce. Well, I actually don't have the ingredients to make Thai peanut sauce, so I'm going to try to make a peanut sauce, but I'm going to use probably Mediterranean diet inspired ingredients because I don't have any coconut milk, so I'm going to use some almond milk. I don't have any red Thai curry paste, which is an essential ingredient, so I'm going to use Calabrian chili paste. So it's going to be a little different, but hopefully quite the same. So let's see if it works out. Come and join me. Here are the ingredients I'm using. I have some all-natural peanut butter. It's the thinned out kind. I can't really get my family to eat this, so I'm going to use it for the sauce. Instead of coconut milk, I have some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Instead of Thai red curry paste, I have some Calabrian chili paste. It's very hot. Instead of brown sugar, which some of the recipes call for, or they call for a sweetened soy sauce, I'm going to use a little touch of honey. And I also have some minced garlic, that's 1 clove. I have a pinch of salt, and I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of a combination of black and red pepper. So we'll see if all of these more Mediterranean style ingredients combine to make a nice peanut sauce. I'm going to start by putting a cup of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk into a saucepan. Now there are some recipes that I've seen online that make everything in a blender and just serve it cold, or some that I've seen online where they heat everything up in a saucepan. I'm going to heat everything in a saucepan because you can eat this sauce hot or cold. Because I'm using things like honey, I want the flavors to be able to meld together into this pot. So I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes when I get everything together. And then we can try it hot, or we can save it and serve it cold. It'll last for about 3 days in the refrigerator. So let's add some peanut butter. I've added about a 1/2 cup of the peanut butter. I'm just stirring that together, and I'm going to combine all the other ingredients in here as well, except for the lime juice. I've added about a teaspoon of honey. I'm going to add a teaspoon of the Calabrian chili paste. It's very hot. The garlic, the peppers, everything is in here now except the lime juice. So I'm just stirring this up. And just wait till it comes to a boil. We'll check the consistency as we go along. I might add a little bit of water if I think it needs it. This is just starting to come to a boil. I'm going to lower the heat and just simmer it for about 5 minutes. It's been simmering for 5 minutes. Thickened up quite a bit. Let's remove it from the heat. And I'm going to squeeze in some lime juice. I would start with a little bit of this and then add more if you think it needs it. This seems a little thick to me, so I'm going to add a tiny bit of water. Not a lot. And I am going to add a little bit of more lime juice. And just stir this all together. So I think this looks just about perfect. It smells so good. I'm just going to let this cool. We're going to make some chicken tonight that I'm going to eat this with. But you can eat it right now as a hot sauce on something that you want, or as a dipping sauce. But, look at that. Well, it made about 2 cups. for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed our Mediterranean diet inspired peanut sauce. I think if I made it again, actually, I would use a little less peanut butter because it was kind of thick. When I reheated it to serve it with dinner, I added some water to thin it down a little bit. And it actually wasn't as spicy as I thought because the Calabrian chili paste is really seriously hot. So I thought by putting in a whole teaspoon that it would be really hot, but it kind of wasn't. So I think I would add a little bit more of that and maybe a little bit more of the black and red pepper. But other than that, I thought it came out pretty good. It was really tasty. It went really well with chicken. It was really good on the broccoli. I think I'm going to use it all week. So please try it for yourself. Please share this video with your friends. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.